Today we're doing a walkthrough of an Accu-Systems 303 dowel insertion machine. This machine inserts 3 dowels into your workpiece. This top section here, the control panel, is your main power, emergency stop. This is the control that adjusts the vibration on the hopper. These are dowel 1, 2, and 3 for either off or on, controlled individually. This is the dial that determines how much glue or water is injected into the hole. And yes, you can use a pre-glued dowel and it'll shoot water into it and glue it in. Or you can use regular dowels with like a tight bond glue. There's a counter if you're counting for your own, counting your pieces for production. This is a purge button, which is really nice for when you're running glue. You can put some hot water in there about once a week. We would shoot hot water through it to clean it all out. You can see the 3 injection ports right there. Rolls back through those tubes to the hopper in the back. In the front here, you've got a pneumatic clamp, which is adjustable left to right. It's also adjustable up and down off of these different threading points here. On the table, you've got a fence right here, and this fence can be adjusted in or out depending on the length of your dowels. Right now it's set up for 2 1/4 inch dowels that are 3/8 thick. If you had some smaller dowels, let's say you're running 1 1/4 dowels that are 5/16, all you need to do is adjust this fence closer to the injection point here so that you get the proper distance. The fence here can be adjusted in and out. It also can be put on an angle, so if you're running a particular angle, it can help you out with that. The whole table can be raised and lowered by the hand wheel down here. On this side, you've got the vibratory hopper. This is what vibrates and runs all these dowels into their particular tubes that run down there. The pressure pot is newer. We run water through it only, no glue. When we did run glue through our old pressure pot, we always had it in a 1-gallon container anyways inside the pot. But this pot, if you were to open it, you would see it's just spotless, perfect. And here's the ARO pump, which pumps either the glue or the water into it. I'm going to walk over here. You also get out of the way, the manual that goes with it. This bag of hardware is for you to adjust the fence. You've got spacers in here to adjust that fence in and out for different length dowels. This is the pieces that we're going to be shooting in just a minute, and this is what it creates. So let's go ahead and turn it on and run some pieces. This unit runs only off of 110 volts and 90 psi of air. So it's on now. You've got all 3 dowels ready to go. It's controlled by the foot pedal down here, and you'll notice that when I stomp the foot pedal, nothing happens. There's a little electric eye right here. And that little electric eye, if it's not covered with a workpiece, nothing moves. So, you throw your piece in here, and make sure it's lined up the right way. Throw your piece in here up to the fence. I'm going to show you from up above. Here we go. So, it injects the water, and then it shoots the dowels into it. Once more, put it in here. Drops the dowels in there. One more time from this side. Just like that. Now, I've seen these units advertised on Craigslist for well over $2,000. This one's in excellent working condition. I just need the room in the shop right now. I'd like to sell this for $1,900 and you pick up the freight. It's in great condition, as you've seen. Even the paint and everything is in good condition. I also have, if you're interested, a triple spindle horizontal borer made by Oliver, and it is a 3-phase unit. It is what I used when I was using this machine all the time. I would use that machine to bore it and this machine to shoot the dowels in. That machine's also up for sale for $1,200. If you have any questions on this machine, contact me, Steve, at scscustomwoodworks.com. Thanks a lot.